Hey there! Want to keep those winter bugs at bay? Check out our Winter Health Elixir, a simple potion packed with natural goodness to help you stay strong and healthy all season long. Ingredients: fresh lemon juice, pure honey, coconut oil, ground cinnamon benefits. 1. Immune boost. Lemon juice and honey team up to boost your immune system, keeping those pesky colds and flus at bay. 2. Antioxidant punch. Coconut oil brings antioxidants to the table, fighting off harmful free radicals and supporting your overall health. 3. Comfort and warmth. Cinnamon not only adds a cozy flavor, but also helps improve circulation, keeping you warm and snug on chilly days. 4. Respiratory relief. Lemon and honey work wonders for your respiratory system, soothing sore throats and easing coughs. So why wait? Start sipping on this winter health elixir every day and say goodbye to winter sniffles. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more fantastic recipes to keep you feeling your best. Stay well, friends.